Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Anna and today I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment room. I'm super obsessed with how I decorated it. Perfect for any fashionistas out there. So if you want to see how I decorated it, then just keep on watching. Starting off with my door, I have this orange A that I made. And then this is like an overview, so I call this like my dark hallway because it's so dark in here. But I just have a trash can and then I have a brick because my door wouldn't stay open, but then it got fixed. So this was like a door stopper. And then I have this air freshener. I don't even know if you can see it. But then coming over here, this door never opens. Oh my god. Okay. So this is my closet. Everything is pretty organized besides my sweatshirts, especially in the back. So ignore that. But I love this right here because it has like all my purses and then great storage. And I just have some shoes, my laundry basket, my robe, and this is the best thing ever. Wagon for my groceries. And then moving on, this is just kind of like a layout of my room. Basically the same kind of setup as last year, if you can tell. But yeah, so let's start off. I have like pom-poms on my bathroom door. I just thought it was kind of like a cute detailing. I didn't really know what to do with the pom-pom ball, so I just kind of like put it there and I thought it looked cute. And then this is my bathroom. A lot bigger than last year, and I love like the wood flooring. Definitely a lot nicer than my other flooring. But yeah, so I have this painting that is from my beauty room at home. Actually, I just put it there. And then I have this card that I kind of just like try to make aesthetic, but I mean, I think I did pretty good. So I just have this that I got from Amazon, which is in my storefront. So I'll be sure to link that in the description. I got this little wood thing from Target. It was like $5, like right when you walk in. It came with like, what is it? Like legs to like screw on, but I didn't like that. So I just did the like basket. And then I have like soaps that I got from an estate sale, candle, my whey serum, and then in this one, I just have like bath salts and different like hair and body products. And then in this one, I have a basket with towels. I honestly didn't really know what to put down here, and I was like, that looks perfect. So kind of like a cute little area. Shower stuff is still the same as last year with the like get naked. And then this is my mirror. So I just have this, my towel. Also, I don't know if you can hear the laundry. I'm washing my new sheets for the fall. But yeah, this headband, and then I just have a bunch of skincare products in there. Just kind of keeps it hidden because I have a lot of stuff under here too. So it kind of just made space. And then toothbrush holder, soap, hair ties, and then on here I have a moisturizer, 2 lotions, trash can. Here I keep all my towels and toilet paper, kind of messy too. Scale stuff, and then I have towels behind here too, which is super nice. So yeah, that's like an overview of my bathroom. And then coming over here, I have my little tiny window and my cactus that's still alive, which is awesome. And then I have like this extra space. So I'm actually doing like an influencer thing with Samsung for my college. So I got products in here and I just kind of kept it in the box so I don't lose them. And then I have seltzers because there's no room in the fridge. So then it's my desk. So that like area I like never go in because it's obviously very hard to get through. But yeah, the desk basically still the same everything. So I have a light up A, picture frame that I got for my 21st birthday for my roommates. This box and a necklace that my grandma gave me for my birthday. And then my Polaroid camera, flowers from Urban. And then next little shelf. I never use this. It's supposed to be like for school. I have this little tray with Laneige beads, makeup brushes. This rose was from my boyfriend and I's first date, he got me flowers, and I kept one of the roses for like a mem. And then I have a picture of me and my high school best friend. And then blue light glasses, sunnies. Down here, got the 2 different mirrors. Love this for getting ready. And then this little tray holds a lot of my jewelry, as long as this, along with that, goes. Router, candle, best fall candle ever, pumpkin apple. Can't even see it. Woohoo. So good. Oh, and then my beads fell. And then in here, this drawer, I keep all my makeup in. It's pretty messy, so I'm not even going to try to open that. And then these are my favorite water bottles. Hydro flask and hydro jug. Then kind of just keep like my purse and backpack there. And then we have this huge mirror. So this mirror is the big IKEA mirror. I love it, especially for taking like outfit, fit checks, all that jazz. And then we have like the TV area of this. I literally stole right off of Pinterest because I loved it. So I got these shelves and the leaf and plant holders from IKEA. And then I just kind of decorated it with like shoes and perfumes. And then I have my TV, obviously. My mirrors from Target. And then so is this with all the little... This is also great for storage. I have so much junk in each of these. So yeah, but I really like them. And then I'll do a little overview of this shelf too. And then this corner is like my blanket basket corner, some of my stuffed animals, and then my Polaroid thing. I got this from Dormify and I thought it was just really cute, and it has a lot of like dumb sayings like living my best life, I live where you vacation, but it's cute. It looks really cute overall, I think. And then my favorite part, the bed. So still have the moons from Urban. And then I kind of switched it up a little bit this year with the bedding. Normally I like to do like a white with like orange accents, which I'm gonna kind of switch over to that for fall. But I have this pink throw that I thought tied in really well with this UGG pillow, and I got a new comforter, UGG, and it's the comfiest thing ever. It's like so soft, and I think my favorite part honestly is the floral sheets. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think I got all of this from them actually. But yeah, super pretty. And then I have my little smiley face slippers. These are so comfortable. I got them from like a little gift shop in Peoria. And then this amazing thing is my rug. Forgot to mention this. This is from Walmart, I believe. Super comfy. And then moving on to like my nightstand, basically just have my remotes, book I'm reading, as you can tell, love Colleen Hoover. Not a reader until I got into her. I absolutely love her. Salt lamp rug, this is my favorite thing ever. It's from Amazon and it charges everything and it just looks so cute. Also on my storefront. And then this little basket with some claw clips, my retainer, glasses, and then I have like all my journals down here. And then that is ugly, but it holds all my cords. And then last but not least, moving on to my absolute favorite part. I don't know if you can like see that, so I'm just gonna zoom in. But it's this Just Relax Nike neon sign. I think it's so cute. And then the clothing rack. I also stole this idea off Pinterest because Pinterest has the best ideas. And I'm not creative like that whatsoever. And then I have this little flower bouquet. This was like a replica of my mom's bouquet from her wedding that I took because I thought it'd be cute. And then I have my Gucci belt with a little pumpkin for fall. I got both of these pumpkins from Target for like $1. And then I have all my Colleen Hoover books with another pumpkin, and then purse. I really like the chain strap. I think it's super cute. And then I just have some clothes that I thought kind of looked well together with different sneakers. All right, and that is the end of this room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.